Today I'm going to clean my two Cascade 1000 water filters for my 55-gallon turtle tank. And yes, they are disgusting. My bad, y'all. Sorry to have to show you such disgust. I waited too long to finally get this cleaned. This is all gunk from 5 weeks. So anyways, now that I'm back on track, I'm going to be out here cleaning my filter with my water hose. And I have a nozzle at the end of my water hose that has some pressure to it. What the pressure is exactly, I'm not sure, but it's adjustable. And I actually, believe it or not, found this hose nozzle at Dollar General and had it for years, never used it, and I finally found my use for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some pressure through all of the hoses, even if it has some gunk on it like you see there. Not that I'm gonna wash off, but with the pressure there's still gonna be a little bit of gunk left on it, and it's minor, and I'm very okay with it because there should be bacteria in the tank anyways, right? So I'm just washing this through until I get a brush that I can run through the pipe fittings and the hoses. I'm gonna just use the pressure, the water and the pressure. So I'm just washing this out here, getting all that stuff out. Now time to start on the inside of this filter, and I apologize you guys, this is gross, but this is what happens when you take too long to clean your filter, especially with having turtles, because turtles stay pooping, so constant cleanup is necessary. And so it takes a lot of filtration for turtles. And that's why I run two of these 1000 canister filters for my 55-gallon tank. So now I'm just going to pour these ceramic rings into this container that I had grapes in, and I like it because it has a lot of holes and the water can run right through it. And all the other parts of the filter on the inside, except for of course, the baskets, I'm going to throw out because I've had them in there for too long and they're a little too cookie for this cookie. So I'm just washing those out right there, running water through them. And what I do to one filter, I will do to the other. And I have a trash bag on the side of me here where I'm putting all the large pieces of gook. So this little hose nozzle is pretty neat. I'm so glad I found a use for it because it was always too strong when I was using it for anything else. Alright, my charcoal, I'm going to toss that and that. Get rid of all the large pieces of gook. Ugh. Oh man, how many times did I want to throw up? But anyways, I have to buck up because it's my fault that this got this bad. And all that sludge. Turtles poop a lot, so you have to constantly change and clean their water. And I know this, but I still fail to clean it in time. So now I'm getting it clean for these turtles. Cleaning out the inside, all the large pieces that I had in there. I just flushed it down the toilet, and that I'm going to dump it out in the yard in a corner. Now I'm going to go on number 2. So right there, when I opened it, I had to watch my finger because I caught my finger in there. Now I'm going to replace all the parts inside these filter baskets. I have this Naturalaire cut to fit polyester filter, and I'm cutting it to size. I'm going to use that as my coarse filter. And I'm going to cut it to fit the basket. I'm cutting the edges over here to make it a little round to fit the basket, but when I put it in, honestly, I realized that I didn't need to cut the edges, that it fit better if it was square, because then I had everything covered. So cutting this hole out here to make it fit. In these baskets you can put any type of media you'd like. I could definitely put more media in these baskets. See, I'm putting all the corners back in there that I cut off. I'm putting them back in there because it fits better like that. There it is. And what I do to one, I'll do to the other. So I'm going to do the second one. I usually clean my filters more often, and I reuse a lot of what's in the baskets, but this time I decided to replace it all. So now I have this poly filler that was listed on eBay as being for koi ponds. I ordered this online, and I'm using it for media, and I feel like I should have more media in these baskets, but right now I'll just make use of what I have. I'm trying to figure out, should I put it this way or the other way, and I decided on pink side up. Hopefully that's right. I still use charcoal because I want to make sure that the water doesn't have any smells. I'm not fond of the smell that comes along with turtle water. And now these ceramic rings, I'm gonna fill up these baskets with these rings. I always reuse these, and I just ordered some more because I don't feel like I have enough in these baskets. Now I'm going to replace the baskets in the filter case. I'm going to try a little tip from Alan Molstad's video on the Cascade filter, in which he suggests to wrap some of this poly filler around the media baskets, but I think my filler is too thick. This step here helps to prevent water bypass. Next time I'll probably just make my poly filler thinner. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is the tank before I cleaned the filter, and this is after. Wow, what a difference. Thank you guys.